Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about the Biot Savart Law, how Biot Savart Law can be deduced, what is the expression for the Biot Savart Law. So for deducing the Biot Savart Law, consider a current element, this one, and current is flowing along this direction. So we are assuming a point P here and a small element which is carrying current, so it is called current carry element DL, which is here, and we connect it to point P, and the distance between current carrying element and point P is taken as R vector, and now the angle is theta, which is the angle between the current carrying element and R vector. So in the opposite direction we again point P dash. So we have to determine the magnetic field at this point P. For this we are here, magnetic field is in along this direction, and this P dash is the perpendicular to the current carrying element. So by using this, here the magnetic field, which is small magnetic field, or we can say strength of magnetic field due to small current carrying element, is proportional to the I. I is the current at that point P. So it is also proportional to the small length of element dl, and it is also proportional to the sine theta. Sine theta is where theta is the angle between dl and current carrying element. So again dB is inversely proportional to the r square. So by combining all these 4 points, we get dB is proportional to the IDL sine theta upon r square, and we get here remove sign of constant of proportionality with the constant mu naught upon 4 pi r. Therefore it will become dB is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into IDL sine theta upon r square. This expression is known as Biot Savart law in vector form. What we can write here, here we have IDL sine theta. So if we write this IDL sine theta into vector form, we can write as I vector cross dl vector. I vector cross dl vector is IDL sine theta. So here we are taking IDL cross r cap upon r square, where r cap is a unit vector, or we can say vector along the point P, and this gives the distance between current carrying element and point P. So now we are starting to reduce Biot Savart law in vector form, and the value of mu naught is always 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere or Weber per meter per ampere. So the direction of dB is always same as that of direction of dl cross r vector, which can be determined by using screw rule. Here is screw rule. If we have current in this direction, then the curl of fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. So here again we can take the direction of B on the basis of right hand screw rule. It is emerging at point P dash and entering at P as shown in figure. So current carrying element is a vector quantity whose magnitude is vector product of current and length of small element having the direction of flow of current.